Octopus Energy have made some huge changes to the way they do heat pump installs this year. This video we're going to be looking at what this new Eco and Turbo install actually mean, lower and higher flow temperature, how to decide which one you want. Do you want the more expensive option or the cheaper option? What they actually will mean in terms of cost to you, the customer, and also disruption, how it's going to change the way it actually gets installed. But more importantly, if you're after a heat pump from Octopus Energy, check out evnic.com/energy, where there's a code where we can split £200 when you get your heat pump installed. Now we obviously have the Turbo and Eco install. We're going to start off with the Eco install because that's the same install that I have at home. The Eco install is a 50 Celsius design flow temperature, and that 50 design flow temperature will mean that you'll need more radiator changes in your home, you'll need larger diameter pipes to the main heat pump and possibly some of the radiators, but it means a lot more work's involved, a lot more changes, a lot more time with the Octopus engineer to get the install actually put in. It's a lot more cost for Octopus to put it in, not just in terms of labour, but also in terms of material costs. Now it's worth noting the price that Octopus show on their website is after a £7,500 government grant. Now this government grant could be changing up or down at any point from the government. It's up for renewal, I think, very, very shortly. So bear in mind that prices could change at any point. But at the moment, Octopus is trying to offer the best value they can at the time. Now, at the time of doing this video, Octopus are currently also offering finance on getting a heat pump. Now, bear in mind that depending on your mortgage company, you might also be able to get a free 0% loan off your mortgage company when adding in renewable technologies like a heat pump, and some offer instant cashback when you get a heat pump installed up to about £2,000. So make sure you check with your mortgage company before getting the heat pump paid for, or even finance, to find out if they've got any special offers directly to you as a mortgage customer that you can take advantage of at the same time. Now, when I was having my Cosy 6 installed, I had TJ from Octopus and I asked him this question. So long term, as we're looking towards people taking out gas boilers who don't want to do full installation upgrades to old houses, essentially the Cosy 6 could benefit them running at 60 and basically changing nothing in the house, essentially.
Yeah, I've always cautioned that we would never say change nothing, because that always presumes that the radiators were sized properly.
Which is now the Turbo install. Now the Turbo install is going to be installed with a 65 Celsius flow temperature, so it's a much higher flow temperature, and in some circumstances, some homes, it might not require any radiator changes, but some homes may require a couple of radiator changes, but far less than the Eco install. Now, because of this, it's going to cost Octopus less time in materials and also engineers. Turbo installs mean it's turbo for Octopus. They will spend a lot less money getting these installed, and that lower cost is going to in turn get passed on to you. Now, it could also mean lower pipe diameter to the heat pump, depending on what the install is. It could also mean less radiator diameter changes. It could mean that if you've got some radiators that are a lower diameter pipe, maybe 10 mil, it could get away without having any pipe changes. It really does depend on every single different house, but they're trying to customize basically the options of the way it's going to get installed. Now, in a minute, we're going to come back to how the running cost was different, but bear in mind that the Turbo and the Eco install, when getting the Octopus Cosy heat pump, both come with the 8-year warranty from Octopus Energy on that heat pump, which is a class leading in warranty on any heat pump at the moment. Now, which install you go for is going to depend on a few factors, but one of them might be you want to look at the running costs. Now, regarding running costs, Octopus go on their website that the Eco and Turbo installs will be cheaper to run than a combi boiler. But this is based on being on the Cosy tariff, which of course you'd be mad not to be on the Cosy tariff. You just would be mad, because it offers a much better value for money. We'll get into other tariffs later about Octopus, but Cosy tariffs meant for heat pumps makes it cheaper. But on a standard, completely standard energy tariff, the Turbo install will be slightly more than gas, and the Cosy tariff will be the Eco install will be price parity with gas based on a bog standard energy tariff. However, why would you be on a bog standard energy tariff when there is an inventive tariff like the Cosy tariff or Octopus Intelligent that you could go on? Now, it's also worth bearing in mind that Turbo and Eco, even if you're on a standard tariff, if you throw in batteries in that, solar in that, then you're going to be cheaper than a combi boiler. The thing about a gas boiler is you can't run a gas boiler off solar panels, off battery storage, off cheap variable rate electricity prices? You can with a heat pump. So add any of those factors in, the cheap variable tariff, the solar, the battery system, then both installs, Turbo and Eco, will be cheaper to run, but the Cosy tariff will be cheaper to run no matter which energy tariff you go on. So it's worth bearing in mind, based on your circumstances, which one you may prefer. Now, if you're still trying to decide whether to go for Cosy or Turbo, then bear in mind that you need to work out how long it will take you to reap the rewards back of that saving. So, for example, if Eco is £2,000 more than the Turbo install, but it will only take you 5 years to see that cost back in electricity savings, spend the £2,000, get the cheaper running rate for the heat pump, and you'll be cash rich. But if it's going to take 15 to 20 years to reap that electricity saving back, then go for the Turbo install. It's, without saying it, it's much better to sort of look at this as a long-term thing. Now, the Cosy heat pump warranty, as I mentioned before, is an 8-year warranty, and really it's going to be lasting 15, maybe 20 years. So if it's going to take more than 15 to 20 years to reap that saving between Turbo and Eco back, then just go for the cheaper option, because by then your heat pump may have been replaced, and if it's been replaced, they may be more economical then. Certain things may have changed, technologies may have moved on, in which case, it's not that heat pump that's going to be reaping that reward for that saving that you made in the past, and that you could invest that saving money somewhere else and make it back. So just, everyone's going to be slightly different, but just look at the two price difference between Turbo and the Eco install and weigh up which one's going to have the best benefit for you. Now, it's going to be completely different for people with solar and battery, because they can use that solar and battery stored energy in running the Turbo heat pump, so they're going to be probably less concerned than having an Eco install over a Turbo install. But everyone's situation will be different. So if you want to ask in the comments, feel free to put in the comments. I'll try and answer as many of you as I can. Now, the big difference between Turbo and Eco is going to be the disruption. Eco is going to be one of the most disruptive type of installs you can get, which might be the clincher over cost saving at all, because a lot of things people don't want is disruption in the house, disruption in their life. And if you're going to be getting the Eco install and it's going to be more radiator changes, it might mean you're going to have to move more things around your house. So maybe they can get pipes, so they can extend pipes, so they can make your radiators larger. There might be not enough room in a room, or the radiator might not be able to be bigger on that wall, so you might have to have an extra radiator added like I did. You might not want an extra radiator added. You might not have enough wall space in a kitchen for an extra radiator. You might not want treble radiators. There is a lot more disruption in the Eco install. The Turbo install should be far less disruptive, which might be the clincher in a lot of people's cases. It might be the saving of a marriage in a lot of people's situations, that they don't need to go through all this extra disruption. So bear in mind that yes, there is a saving element on Eco running costs, but there's benefits of other savings like disruption. So just which one are you better going to prefer? Let me know down in the comments. Now, the one thing that I thought Turbo would mean is that means that we could finally use 8mm microbore for some people who've got 8mm microbore. Sadly, at the moment, time of making this video, Octopus will not install on 8mm microbore. I've seen some people say in the comments that they've done it on the odd jobs. As far as I'm aware, they do not install an 8mm microbore when I've checked several times with people within Octopus Energy. They will do 10mm microbore, that's plastic or copper, but 8mm microbore, 8mm copper microbore is a no-no for now. That could change in the future. I'd love to know if you've had an install with 8mm microbore from Octopus Energy. Let me know down below in the comments. And more importantly, if you're thinking you get a heat pump, don't forget to go to evnic.com/energy, where there's a code where we can split £200 off your install. Don't forget to check out this video, a playlist of heat pump videos, and see the install video when I've got mine done. Mine's an Eco install, so it might give you a better idea of the disruption.